Oh my goodness, that's a giant.
Hello everyone, welcome to a beautiful Michigan evening. My name is David Kraus, and tonight we're going to be going after some smallies using one of my favorites, a frog bait. Tied on here we have the Lunker Hunt Pocket Frog. It's 1 3/4 and it is very light. It's a little tricky to throw with the bait caster, but I've done it before and we're going to do it again tonight. It's a lot of fun to fish for these smallies. There's a lot of benefits to using it, and so we'll go over some of those and some of the reasons that I like it. So I just got done, paddled in about a half a mile on this, just a drainage ditch, paddled in, so kind of in the middle of this section. Seems like the middle of these bigger stretches is kind of where you start getting into those bigger fish a lot of times. This is a fairly low pressure river, not a lot of kayakers, not a lot of people because there's a lot of down trees, so it can be really fun. It's especially fun to throw topwater in the summertime, so I'm really excited to throw this frog. Without any further ado, let's go catch some smallies. All right, let's talk about this frog for a second. The lure as a whole is really small, which means that smallies have no problem inhaling this. One of the other things that I love about it is, I will show you right here. Throw it up there in the weeds, wrap it around a log, pull it over, doesn't matter. It's weedless, and it really is almost 100% weedless. So you can throw it way too far, you know, up into pretty much whatever you want to throw it into. Throw it on that log, throw it up in that grass, and then you just pull it through gently and it will enter the water where you want. There's one right there, just a little smallie. Over there, brush, doesn't matter, pull it right through. That is extremely nice when you're in an area that has a lot of cover and you're trying to throw it right on the bank. You got a cushion. Oh, shoot, that was a nice one right there. You can see that fish's back come all the way out of the water. There we go, got it that time. Drop the anchor here. Oh yeah, that's a nice one too. First one of the day. No! Oh, rats! Rats! Pulled it right out of his mouth. Nice big boil right there. That looks like it should hold some fish. Missed it. There, he got it. Nice. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, another one's after it. Oh, shoot! Lost that one too? Are you serious? For real right now? Just lost 2 of them? That's a bunch of bogus. We're struggling. Ah, shoot, I knew there would be a good fish in there too. Oh my, that's a big one right there. That's a big one, and he just missed it. Let's get that fish right there.
Oh my goodness, that's a giant.
That is a giant right there. Nope, nope, don't spit it. Don't spit it. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Get my anchor dropped. Oh, that's a big smallie. Oh, that's a big smallie. Come on, get in the net. Oh. Yes. Woo. All right, fish number one on the frog is a pig. An absolute pig, guys. Oh, oh yeah, that is an awesome smallie right there. Point blank, crushed it. That was awesome. Oh my goodness. Pig of a smallie right there on the frog. That was fun. Wow. Whew. Up close and personal. I mean, that was point blank. So remember earlier how I said there's two things that can be true about this river. It's a pain to kayak, and it can also be really fun to fish because the fish are just very unpressured. Yeah, that would be exhibit A right there. This is not a kayak friendly river, as you can see, which means two things. It's very tiring and it's a pain to fish. You're constantly getting out and going around log jams. And also it means that these fish are really unpressured fish, which are really fun to fish for. They're not shy. There's a bigger fish right there. Big fish right there. Got him. Yes. Oh, another good one. That was cool. The smaller one came out and hit. The bigger one was following. Stay down. Woo! That's the same size as the first one. Oh yeah. That one's been hooked before. Not the only one fishing this, apparently. Another beautiful smallie. That was cool. Little one came in. This one came in chasing the little one. Sweet. Well, that's not something everyone can say. I just caught a rock bass on a frog. I'm kind of impressed at that. It's not even a big rock bass either. Well, everybody, I've come to the last log jam that I'm gonna cross. Time to start heading back upriver here. The frog, once I lost the feet, it did not perform nearly as well. So that's just something to consider. This isn't necessarily a lure review video, but that and the hookup ratio on it, not amazing. Again, you can get away with a lot. I mean, you can throw it right into that grass or right up that tree if you want and just pull it right through. So that's kind of the caveat to that. Can't have one without the other. All in all, it was a lot of fun. Fun little lure to throw. Thanks for tagging along with me. I'll see you in the next one.